Hello everyone, how are you? I hope everybody is fine. So today we are going to learn science and I will teach you the topics matter in our surrounding. So everything you see around us is considered as matter. Why? Because matter is anything which occupies space and have mass. For example, any guesses? Okay, I will tell you. That is table, chair, sofa, bed. So these all are matter. Getting? So matter is what? Anything which occupies space and have mass is called matter. For example, table, chair, sofa, bed. So these all are considered as matter. Clear? Because these are having mass also and occupying space also. So this is called matter. Clear? So I hope it's clear now about matter. Now matter further is of three types, that is solid, liquid, gas. Now see solid, liquid and gas. So solid, what is solid? Like the solid have definite shape and definite volume. Wait. You can see this water bottle. So this solid is having definite shape and definite volume. So this shape is also fixed and volume is also fixed in case of solid. But this is not got right with in case of liquid. Like if you see liquid, so liquids don't have fixed shape but have fixed volume. So you can see if you put this liquid in this water bottle or in the cup or in the glass, the shape gets changed, but the volume will get same. Volume will remain same. Okay. And gas neither have fixed shape and nor has fixed volume. Clear? Then you can see the force of attraction. Force of attraction between the particles in case of solid is maximum. In case of liquid it's moderate. And in case of gas it's negligible. That's why we can move our hand like this in gas, because it is negligible. But can we move our hand through this water bottle? No, this is solid. So that's why the force of attraction is maximum in case of solid, moderate in liquid. Like we can also move our hand in water, but yeah, it is attached to it. So that's why we call it as moderate in case of liquid, but negligible in case of gas. You can see how I am moving the hand. Okay, now comes the density. So density of solid is very high. Like you can see the pillars, bridges, so these all are made up of solid. So it is too high. Density means heaviness. And liquid, it is not that much high density, but gas, the density is too low. Okay, density means heaviness. Then comes on the fluidity. Solid cannot flow, but liquid can flow easily. Liquid can flow and gas can flow in all directions. You can see the gas is flowing in all the direction. Okay, understood about the properties of matter? Sorry, about solid, liquid and gas. So I hope it's clear. Any doubt, any problem, you can ask me. Okay then. So let's move to the next part. See, we can change the states of matter also. So this is called interconversion. From solid we can make liquid, like ice. Ice is the solid, so the melting of ice. Ice can be melted if you take ice out from the refrigerator. If you put ice out from the refrigerator, it will melt soon. It means the ice changes into the liquid. So this is called melting. And when we put ice into the refrigerator, it changes into the solid. Okay. So when we put water into the refrigerator, it will change into the ice. So it is called freezing. And when we took that ice outside, it will melt, it change into the water. That is called melting. This process is called melting. So melting and freezing understood. So when solid get changes into the liquid, this process is called melting, and when liquid get changes into the solid, this is called freezing. Then liquid when changes to a gas, like you can see water, it is getting vaporized and it is forming the gas. So this is called vaporization. Clear? So this is getting changes to the gas, and there is a process where solid directly converts into the gas, that is called sublimation. For example, naphthalene balls. Have you seen? We put naphthalene balls in the box where we store clothes. Okay, so that naphthalene balls is in white color and in round in shape. It will get disappear. So solid is getting changes into the gas, that is called sublimation. Example, naphthalene balls and camphor also. Camphor, you know, it's kapoor. So kapoor, you know that if you just burn that, the solid will directly changes into the gas. Clear? And when gas directly changes to the solid, it is called deposition. Understood these things? Now see the characteristics of matter. Characteristics I am telling you, okay? Characteristics of matter. First characteristics. Particles of matter have space between them. First is what? Particles of matter have space between them. Okay. Take 1 glass of water and add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then see the volume. Volume of water will not rise. Why? Because particles of sugar get adjusted in water. Because particles of sugar get adjusted in the particles of water. So that's why the volume will not move upward. Clear? I think it's clear now. Now you can see the next one. So particles of matter have a space between them. I hope it is clear. Then particles of matter can flow easily. So yes, you can see the particles of matter can flow easily. If you burn an incense stick in Hindi it is called agarbatti. So we can sense a smell of that incense stick from the distance. This shows that particles are in motion. Okay, so particles of matter is in motion. Then particles of matter are attracted towards each other. Third property is that particles of matter is attracted towards each other. In case of solid, the force of attraction is maximum. You can see this water bottle. The force of attraction is maximum here. But in liquid, the force of attraction is moderate. We can move our hand in water. And in gas, you can see I am easily moving my hand. So it is force of attraction is negligible in gases. Got it? Okay then. Moving towards the next one. I hope this is understood by all. Okay then. Let's move towards the next. So we will now learn about the evaporation. Evaporation is what? When liquids start vaporizing below its boiling point. You know that boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. But evaporation can happen at anywhere. There is no need that the temperature should be 100 degrees Celsius. So water start vaporize below 100 degrees Celsius also. Okay? So it is getting vaporized. And what are the factors affecting evaporation? Like wind speed, humidity, temperature. So these are the factors that affect evaporation. So if we increase the temperature, so when the temperature is increased, evaporation will increase. If we increase the surface area, so evaporation will increase. So when surface area is increased, evaporation will increase. And wind speed, if the speed of wind is high, then also the evaporation will increase. Now the fourth comes humidity. So if the humidity in the atmosphere is high, means the presence of water droplets in the atmosphere is high, then the rate of evaporation decrease. Clear? I am repeating again the evaporation. So evaporation means when liquid starts evaporate, means liquid getting vaporized into the gases below its boiling point. At any temperature, liquid starts boiling. Okay, it is getting vaporized. That is called evaporation. And evaporation, so there is the factors on which evaporation depend. There are the 4 factors that if we increase the temperature, the rate of evaporation increase. You can see in a hot sunny day, clothes get dried up soon. Okay, because the temperature is high and then the evaporation will also high. Then surface area. So when we put clothes on the clothes stand or on the wire or on the rope, we just increase the surface area of clothes, then we put them. Because when the surface area is increased, the rate of evaporation also increased. Now if there is a windy day, then clothes get dried up soon, because when the speed of wind increased, evaporation also increased. Third, now comes the fourth, humidity. So in the atmosphere, if there is a humidity, humidity is what? Presence of water droplets. So in the atmosphere, if there is a lot of water droplets present, so in that case, evaporation will get decreased. Okay? So I hope this things is clear to you. Okay, then I am winding up the session. Okay students, we will meet in the next class. Bye bye.